How to remove the background from your video in CapCut. So first you want to open CapCut and basically open or create a new project. Import the video that you want to remove the background from. So in this case, I have this video, for example. Then you will need to drag this video to your timeline at the bottom. Now with your video selected on the right top hand side, you want to click on the video tab and then click on remove background or remove BG tab. Now you can use either the auto removal to remove the background, or you can use the custom one, which will basically allow you to use a brush, as you can see, to basically cover or draw on the areas that you want to keep to remove the rest. So I'm going to use auto option to do it quickly. Now once it's done, as you can see, the green background is gone, and if you play from the timeline, you should see that the background is gone. Now in order to add this on top of your video, you want to import your video into the media or the media tab right here, and then click on your video and drag it to the timeline as well. Now make sure the video that you removed the background from is always on the top in the timeline to be displayed over your video. And as you can see right here, if I play, it's currently being displayed on top of my video. And that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.